Katara and Aang were soulmates, and the only fit for the top tier, spiritually bound. And their bond became so strong, it led to one of the greatest families in the Avatar world.
Tween and Lai have always circled each other like twin eggs.
Baby, you're my forever girl.
I can see that he's a very powerful bender.